Hey, I'm Eric.
I'm Prajwal.
And together we're making Society AI. And Society AI is a simulation platform for policymakers and government to test out ideas on agents before they try to push them to real people. The idea is we have many different agents, all with their own different opinion, profession, age, salary, etc. And the idea is we have them interact with each other and try to form opinions about a new policy that we're trying to implement. And over here, we can select both the composer agents model as well as the population model. And the idea behind this is we have more nuanced choices for the models, so they would have more diverse opinions.
And in this demo video, we'll be looking at this general context, like this situation. Should Vancouver build a taller downtown skyline? So as you can see over here, it's actually a real thing that Vancouver actually wanted to hear about from the public. And there's different resources that we've pulled from NIA. And in addition to NIA for the research, we also have Claude for the model orchestration. And all these people over here, they're all the agents, like the population, and they're all controlled by 3 different models, and they're varying in their position, their age, income, and profession, and their stance. So when I click run round, what will happen is that they will be put into groups. They will be put into 3 groups of 8 agents, and they will have a conversation. And over 4 to 5 exchanges, they will argue their stance. They will converse with one another, and once they have conversed and try to like pull people to their side and whatnot, they will finalize their stance. And then as you keep doing this every single round, things will bubble up. Nuances will show up in the way that people support or oppose a position, a statement. And as we're waiting for the round,
Yeah, I'll just explain a little bit about how we implemented our infrastructure. So we have the user input, which interacts with the front end, and then the front end will send a request to the back end, which will then make API calls to NIA to learn more about the context of the sandbox that we're playing in. And then also we're going to make API calls to Claude to form individual opinions for the different people in the simulation, as well as a composer agent who creates the user profiles in the first place.
so over here we have the round, and we have a summary of the round. There's 7 people who actually changed their positions. And you can actually view over here as well some research thoughts that they came up with. And you can ask the AI, why did people change their stance? And the composer AI will actually look into it and then give you some description as why. A brief summary, and then for each group there's also a summary and then the people involved, and then there's these exchanges which you can look into for a more detailed view, and then you can see how people change their stance throughout the conversation, and then at the end they update it. And it's really useful for generating your own data. Like instead of going out to survey hundreds of people, you can generate hundreds of these agents, so you can use them to generate your own conversations and find out about people's opinions without actually spending the time researching and doing all that. You can actually experimentally do it. Thank you very much for watching.